everyone, today's vlog is something special. I'm making snow hot pot, and guess what? White Bear is coming over. This is our outdoor restaurant. VIP guest is on the way. Yeti knows how to cook too, okay? Watch this. Only the finest meltwater for our snow hot pot. It's freezing out here, but I'm warming up just thinking about this meal. Fresh fish from this morning, forage the rest, mountain chef vibes. Perfect timing. I just finished prepping everything. I should open a winter food truck. Wait, this is your first time. We're making history here. Special serving for my guest. Extra mushrooms and belly cut fish. This is amazing. I didn't know hot pot could taste like this. Whoa, spicy, sweet, savory, yeah. Here's to full bellies and full hearts. After a meal like that, all we need now is a snowy nap. Thanks for joining our snow feast. See you in the next vlog. Maybe we'll try grilled snowfish next time.